You do the housework today.
Okay. We're keeping set 211 from you. That's too soft. I think that's going in. That's it. I think. Good. 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 Good.
So let us eat. We're hungry.
Oh yeah, take some pictures. We should exchange emails or something so we can...
I'm taking a film. I hope that I'll have enough battery for pictures today.